At Lily-Ann Cabinets, we want to make your kitchen work for you by providing ample storage solutions that not only make finding the right item easy, but also can simply be cleared away to allow for maximum counter space. This utility cabinet offers roll-out shelves that offer easy access and ample storage for large items. Less frequently used pieces can be stored at the top, where you can easily find them when needed. Deep drawers allow you to store your dinnerware all in one location. You can be assured your dishes are safe thanks to the sturdy craftsmanship provided with our unique dovetail assembly and soft close feature. This slide out for pots and pans means you won't have to rearrange the cabinet every time you need to find a different pan. Find the lid and the pan you need instantly, then push the remaining cookware back into place. You have several options to manage trash in your kitchen. In this case, we have a double can pull-out system that is easily accessible and perfect for storing both trash and recycle items. Behind the wastebasket is space to keep your trash bags so you never have to hunt for them. This two-tier cutlery tray allows you to double up on storage space for utensils. Why clutter your countertops when you have a convenient place to store everyone's favorite appliance?